Hello, I'm here with a new video. This time it's because there's a new update to the Luba and an update to the app. If you go to your app shop, you should updating your app. My phone did it by itself, but if you don't do that, go to the shop you use. If you do Android, it's Google Play, or if you do Apple, it's the Apple Store. Okay, I have already updated the app, like I said, so take a look at updating the Luba. Let's update the app. Open the app, and here comes my Luba, and we'll just give it a second to connect, and you can see there's a red dot on the update sign. Click that, and here you can see a list of things, what's new. Let's just take a look. Added a selection of perimeter cutting of no-go zones. That's very nice, so the no-go zones don't have very long grass around them. Feature of only perimeter cutting by selecting no zigzag cutting. Okay, that's nice too. Optimization updates optimize the tax area grading and editing process. That's nice too, so you don't have to delete it and do it again. Okay, this is also nice. The zigzag path that existed outside the rounding of the zones, that's nice to fix that too. False charging, I didn't know that was a problem. Oversized area failed when creating several complicated errors. I didn't know that too. Inner curd moving area. I haven't had any of these problems. Note: please check the boundary of the no-go zones and make sure they are at least 15 centimeters away from established no-go zones. Otherwise, the possibility will be abnormal poles increased if you select the perimeter cutting for no-go zones with their innermost run. Okay, I think this is okay. Why don't they just make the words on one line? I don't get that. It's so much easier to read. Okay, one-click upgrade. That's nice. Please restart the Luba. Okay, I'm with my Luba now. Apparently it was powered off. I don't know why. I'll give it a second. And then I'll try again. Timeout. Okay. We need to connect again. It should connect by itself. You can do it here. Okay, press the settings and upgrade. Luba's offline. No, it's not. I need to be on Wi-Fi. Let's try again. Luba's offline. Why is Luba offline? I just manually started to mow, and then I will send it home and see. Oh, okay, we are online now. Connect. And upgrade. One-click upgrade. Yes, and it's on the way home again. So we need to wait 5 seconds more. Okay, Luba is home again. Let's try again. Yes, upgrading. This never takes 5 minutes. At least not where I am. So let's see. I will skip to when we are finished so you don't have to see this. Okay, we are about to finish the updating. 10 seconds it says. And there it goes. Luba is restarting. If Luba cannot restart automatically after 1 minute, please long press the power on key. To power on, long press for about 10 seconds. Okay, that's how the tutorial is. So my Luba is doing it by itself, as you hear. I didn't press anything. And it lost connection because it's resetting. Okay, seems like it restarted. Let's see if it connects. Also, if you see this, they moved the schedule. It's down here now, so you can use that easier. So I don't have anything now right now because I moved my base last night, so I need to do it all over again. And we're not connected. I think I'll try on pressing. And there we go. Luba is online again. So this time I actually had to restart Luba myself. It just powered off and I need to restart it. So let's press the map. Error report. Okay, everything seems fine. So there you have it. Current version current version 194.247. This is what you want. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you for listening to me again, and remember, I have a link to the Luba shop. If you want to support me, then use that link, please. Thank you.